We have Jeremiah, an Ecor distributor from AAA Supply out of Arizona. Let's give him a few minutes to share how Ecor is helping his business.
Welcome, Jeremiah. Could you talk to them about what you think of the product line?
Sure can. It's not even going to take me 3 minutes. So, real simple. The biggest thing that helps our customers is the technological advances that we've had made on this equipment. It far exceeds anything in the industry these days, with a true monitoring service that gives their customers, the end user, a peace of mind. When their installers are able to go out and install this piece of equipment without even putting a gauge on it because of the technological advances, it makes their jobs a lot easier as well. So from getting the product there from local distribution to the home site, looks brilliant. I think it's won some awards with the way that it looks, right? But more importantly, when they take it out of the box and they're able just to scan the label to start the warranty process, and by the way, you get a 10-10-10 warranty in most cases. What really sets them apart is a 10-year labor out of the box for the contractors. It stays with the home, not the homeowner. Yeah. So it's kind of an easy sell in that perspective, but more importantly, Ecor stands behind their equipment. So that's important to our contractors. Yeah. So it's easy for me as a distributor to help our contractors get into something that's top of the line, good cost, and will keep their homeowners with a peace of mind.
Smart tech, easy installs, peace of mind. That's Ecor. Ecor, technology that works for you.